Blessed are the hearts that can bend, they shall never be broken. I do not believe in God, and I am not an atheist. Autumn is a second spring when every leaf is a flower. Don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Walk beside me, just be my friend. Man is the only creature who refuses to be what he is. You will never be happy if you continue to search for what happiness consists of. You will never live if you are looking for the meaning of life. I rebel, therefore I exist. Nobody realizes that some people expend tremendous energy merely to be normal. You know what charm is? A way of getting the answer yes without having asked any question. I may not have been sure what really did interest me, but I was absolutely sure about what did not. Always go too far because that is where you will find the truth. In the depths of winter, I finally learned that within me there lay an invincible summer. Fiction is the lie through which we tell the truth. Do not wait for the last judgment, it comes every day. I know that man is capable of great deeds, but if he is not capable of great emotions, well, he leaves me cold. People hasten to judge in order not to be judged themselves. The truth is that everyone is bored and devotes himself to cultivate habits. I opened myself to the gentle indifference of the world. In order to understand the world, one has to turn away from it on occasion. Real generosity towards the future lies in giving all to the present. Which quotes did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments and subscribe the channel for more videos.